Tata screen kwalani. Kwanika kona khoma screen.
Okhomela yini?
Bokhoma na sikhoma.
Now.
Ana moya utatshama na hina.
Impela nikwala nitshame no.
Nitshame na hina bashwana. Ubikini maya.
Wemoya kona.
Kwa. Shibiri. Yeah. Engwetini.
June.
Undlekeni 1976 June.
Ala!
Natala.
So abati la vanhu va ta document.
Yeah.
And mara emphasis ikura ile kushabelele.
Yeah.
Sasa mngari bali kusibona.
Okay, ay mishabeleli.
Machaka bengiyebula.
Okay. Ay mishabeleli tanan lokuru maslawa.
Ahe. Le Machangani gang. La ihlela hinkwaswo leswi rhumerisaka Gaza vumene vunanga naswona hi tlangela ku humelela lokukulu na lokuntsongo hikuva hinkwerhu hi le ku tlakuseni ka ririmi na ndhavuko wa Xitsonga. Leyi i Machangani gang. Shangi.
Mazunguleni.
Does not make sure.
Seriously? Okay. All right. Amkela kwala ka Machangani gang general segment episode 76. Mivuyina kambe mkhami stiva ku ri mtshami na money. So yeah, viki leri nga hela a ni ri na co-host Ginger. Hi sweswo. All right. So na mina ni le ka tour mastiva ku ri na ti tour kwala ka Machangani gang. Na mina ni le ka tour ya ku va ni kha ni hosta vanhu vo hambanahambana ni kha ni hosta na vanhu vo hambanahambana. So namuntlha ni famba na muchaveleri u ta ti tivisa. Ma swi tiva ku ri laha hi rhandza ngopfu swa dyondzo and all of that. I wun'wana wa a ri chairperson ya le Avets Khomanani Vatsonga eka lembe leri nga hundza if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah. So Action.
Sis Kate.
Minjani?
Minjani. A ni swi tivi mina sis Kate umtirhikulobye.
Mashaka. Yes.
Va tikumisa huma kwala no ri papa.
Yeah, so
mina Chavalala mchaveleri tanihi leswi mi nga vula van'wani va ntiva tanihi Mshengu van'wani va ku mchaveleri city boy mara ni munhu wun'we hi ku angarhela no makhakhala Giyani namuntlha hi ta va hi kha hi fambisana swin'we hi kha hi khoma tintambu swin'we se ya hi sweswo a ku na swo tala
muchaveleri moya u kwetsima tana moya u ta tshama na hina.
Ni himpela ni kwala ni tshame na
hina bashwana ubikini maya
wemoya kona.
Kwa Shibiri.
Yeah, mara sifamba njani?
Swo famba sis Kate. A ku na ho va busy the exam ne. Ta kha ta hi tlimba mara na hina kha ha ti tlimba na.
Ta kha ta ko va ku na ku tlimba na kahle. Yeah.
Ta tlimba mara all in all as long as he survive mara ya.
Mara mlok surviving.
Aka survive.
Ne.
Yeah. Kuna audio yun'wana yo surviving is winning Franklin.
Okay.
So mina Franklin wa kona kana wena kana survive.
Yeah,
it's right.
All right. So mikhame stiva ku ri kwala ka Machangani gang ina merchandise loko ri ku u lava xikipa xi tsaliwe masiku mo hambana mavhiki u ta wa hi khumba ka nambara leyi nga kona la ka screen 260 xikipa 360 jersey. Loko ku ri ku wa swi lava u kwala Gauteng ha vulavurisana hi kota ku mi fikisela swona. Loko ku ri ku mi tshama outside of Gauteng ma vulavurisana na kona and then mi ngetela R100 ntsena, just R100 and then u kuma merchandise wa wena. So hala tlhelo hina tithobo timchaveleri mi ta hi byela hi titho ta hina leti hi nga na tona.
Hi nga rivali titho leti hi nga na tona yo sungula hi ya Northwest University hi ti 26th July ne. Ivi leyin'wana yi le University of Pretoria hi ti 6th September. Ivi Vets, UCT, UWC ati confirm what the date eximata loko ni vulavula hi UCT swa ni tela ku a ni ri na ximunhu a ni bela hala
Hey, okay. Kumbe mi nga endla connection,
va nga organize swin'wana
Yeah.
mara loko a ri ku wacheni a swi tivi ku ni le ku teni
All right.
Fari
So swi vula ku kahle na connection ya le Vets and then na connection ya le UCT. Okay, vele UCT avalo kekeni, vele UP. Akata UP. Okay, so namuntlha lani mastiva ka general segment imtisela vutivi, imtisela ku preserve history ya hina Matsonga Machangani. Namuntlha hi tshamilani na Botishongotelo lava va nga current EFF chairperson ya le UP avari chairperson na vona last guys
There u xavelela membership or
just EFF. Yeah, and then lembe leri nga hela avari chairperson ya Tsonga Cultural Society ya le IUP. Abshen but
I am Ntsanwisi.
mfuki minjani?
Hayi pfuki.
Yeah, so nishoku namuntlha loko ya heta la loko ku ri ku mi lo tshama kwala kaya kumbe mi tshama, I'm sure by the end of this episode ku ta va ku ri na swo tala leswi mi nga ta va mi swi dyondzini. So hi kombela ku mi hi tivisa ku hi n'wina mani and then mi huma kwini ku va hi fika ka ku mi za mi tikuma mi ri chairperson ya Cultural Society and chairperson ya EFF. It's like a big thing.
Yeah.
So kama ku mi tivisa ku n'wina mani mi huma kwini and mi kule njhani and ku za mi fikelela la mi nga fika kona sweswi.
Oh, ani kenza ngopfu sesikid. Vito ra mina i Mshongotelo Mgabini. Ni huma eka Chavani a Elim.
Okay.
Se mara nkarhi wo tala ni tikuma ni kha ni ri a Orange Farm a Joburg maswo. Se vu activism bya mina kahle byi sukele na ha ri xihlangi ngopfu. Ni nga ku inspiration yikulu leyi ni nga yi kuma yi sukele ka misa un'wana a ri parliament vito ra ni Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Ma vona loko ku va December na January a hosta ti-event nyana ku fana na Azania Soccer Tournament ma vona whereby ku tlangiwa bolo minkarhi yin'wana a xavela vana va xikolo tintangu ma swi vona a nyika vakhegula swakudya na sweswo hinkwaswo ma swi vona so swi ve inspiration yikulu ka mina. I think a ni ri na 10 years at the time. Ma swi vona se swi ni inspire ngopfu evuton'wini so na mina ni swi vona ku ri no hi laha ni lava ku fika kona ni lava ku pfuna vanhu na mina na swi tiva ku ri loko ni ri na voko leri nga na matimba ni fanele ni tlakusa van'wana lava nga le hansi se ma swi vona so I got that inspiration and then ke obvious hi ku famba ka nkarhi loko se ni sungula ku tlharihanyana a ni ri ka grade 7 a ni pinga kahle kwalano so I remember this day 2016 ne so ku ri break ku ri sukele njhani a ni swi tivi mara I just had this thought because an langisa ngopfu mahungu na kokwani ma swi vona so a ku ri na this thing ya fees must fall ma swi vona whereby it was started at Vets actually I think you know about that ma swi vona so
Life is must follow me na 10 years.
under na 12 that was 2016
12 years.
yes
Okay.
under na 12 so
Ara 12
Actually.
under na 12
Okay.
loko swi nga swa Christmas fall ne ni foneliwini kaya vanhu vutisa ku endla yini hi mhaka ku a ni ri ku celeni ka gate ya le union buildings a hi la ku nghena laha hansi laha so xitareko xexo a hi ri part ya xona hina loko se swi fika la TUT a ku ri hina vaceli va kona hi cheleteliwe hi mati mo hlohlonya ti-tear gas a hi swi voni ka movies ya na hi maxaka leswiya hi swi experience-ini hina yeah in real time
N'wina a mi ri busy no celacela hala lava va yima hela. Hele.
no se ka grade 7 a ku ri break ma swi vona eish a ni tivi ku va na passion leyi kula ku ndzeni ka mina ni vhe ni sungula from grade 1 ni landza ma grade 1 ni landza ma grade 2 ti-grade hinkwato ni kha ni famba ni ku fees must fall nkarhi wolowo it's a public school primary public school a yi hakeli ti-fees mara because of the passion leyi a ni yi vona loko va yisa lava va kha va addressa ma vona ka TV ni swi vona ku ri vanhu lava they are so passionate about this thing ma swi vona and a ni tshama na vanhu van'wana va tshama kha va ni dyondzisa hi tipolotiki you know they would tell me ku ri no vanhu lava they are fighting for your freedom because one day na ni ta xikolweni you'll go to university and you will seek education and you'll see ku ri the problem leti va ti faceaka na wena ti face hi vanhu vo tala like many people so they are fighting for you don't think ku ri it's very far away from you because na ni ta kule ta xikolweni and ta dyondzeka se i fane i va supporta in every possible means because the first thing I said was cause mina where I grew up, some kaku strike maswo. So and some people, maybe Mapurisa, and even in the news, they will say, "Kurno, when lava strike they are barbaric and satan." So I didn't know, Namina, but once I got educated about what is Maswol and the protest, this thing is actually in our benefit. Maswol.
Oh, nameto, mhlamsele event ku memane msuka kweni. Mamele shingani koka rinoko vito na xivongo because na ku twisa ku vito xongotelo ri vula yini xo sungula xa vumbirhi ntwa mu kuma ka mugambini a ni tshama ni twa munhu va ku wa ka mugambini no twa va ku sesikate ku va ka Shirinda va ko va ka Shirinda va ko va ka Mahumani Shirinda na Mahumani xi xin'wana mara mugambini i va ka mani ne and xa vunharhu i ku xongotelo ni vutsingi xongotelo yi vula mara na ku twisa ku loko n'wina va mi tshaka ku hi n'wina xongotelo the back story behind the name a ku va ku ri yini because usually vatswari va hi tshama vutiyo saseka tanihi ra n'wina mara ku va ku ri na xitori yes
no so nxongotelo nxongotelo in the easiest essence i nhonga but loko ni nyiko vito lero va nyike in the biblical sense of it maswo hi Bible ku ri nhonga na nxongotelo ra wena swa ni hlayisa hambi ndzo famba exidziveni maswona se papa mina a ku ri munhu un'wana ya a va na ngopfu maswona before ni tswariwa maswo so loko va kuma ku ri mana mina va tikiwa emirini va byela ku ri no kusukela sweswiwani ni ta tshika byala hi mhaka ku ta n'wana mina ni fanele va tatana manjeni se ni fanele ni kula maswo se because of that balance that it brought to his life he said ku ri loyi i nxongotelo wa mina hi ku i ni tshikise vutomi byo biha ni tshega hi yena ku ri ni kota ku hanya vutomi bya kahle and therefore nxongotelo and then mugavini loko mo hlangana na munhu un'wana wa ka mugavini mi nga ze mi vutisa swi ku yini mi nga ze mi ya ku yini mi swi tiva ku ri i xaka ra mina hi hina ntsena wa ka mugavini maswona se mugavini a hi ri va ka makhuvele hina kahle everything hi va ka makhuvele maswo so kokwana wa mina wa xinuna va holovini na maxaka ya vona va ka makhuvele and then he just said ku ri mina a na ha ri xaka ra n'wina n'wina va ka makhuvele a na ha mi lavi ma swi vona basically
branch ya yona
a sungula branch ya vona so because he couldn't just take a surname out of anywhere I go no I'm going to take this surname he just said okay so mina na vana va mina hi ta tirhisa Mugavini is his grandfather's name swi fana na mina xivongo xa vito ra vona i Hlengani se a hi ngo na mina na suka ka va ka Mugavini ku no a na lava ku ti associate na n'wina ni ta ku kusukela sweswi vana va mina na vatukulu va mina ku ta va ka Hlengani mara xivongo ta ka ta va ku swa ka mani swa ka Makhuvele se na sweswi na ri Mgwena byi chele Marindzi
okay so Mugavini it's part of your clan name
yes basically yes
okay
mara hi va Gwena hi va ka Makhuvele hina na va ka Xipambu xiximo na va ka Mbalati
okay
so hilandziwa kona
swa twala
so la ka ku loko mi kha mi hlamusela ni twi mi sungula ku activism bya mina byi sunguli ka i rito rin'wana rero ra activism or being an activist leri ni twa ku nga ri especially sweswi hi nge le ku kuleni or vanhu vo tala a va swi twisisi ku i yini it's always aligned to a certain perspective leyi mkumaku most of the time yi va yi ri wrong so mi nga explainela ku i yini ku va an activist ta kota ku sukela kwalano and build up from there
no so ku va activist swi fana no a hi ku swi fana no i vulwela ntshunxeko kahle hi ku na ti-injustices to tala leti endlekaka namuntlha ma swi vona and swilo leswi hisaka ndzhaku tanihi society ma swi vona today not as communities kahle ma swi vona so there are still those things you know Chris Hani he was an activist as well because I don't identify them as politicians lava bakhale ma swi vona he was an activist and used to say no there will always be something to fight for kodwa sama kha ku ri na injustice leyi endlekaka and as an activist you must always be ready to champion that injustice ma swi vona so activist kahle is nothing associated to sobia ma swi vona loko a hi ngo sweswiwani ma swi vona ku ri there's a high number of femicide in this country.
Hey.
Maswon. So we'll say the organization Tofanana Women for Change, it's activist organization. Maswon, because they are always fighting for the right cause. So that is what an activist is. Activist for example, Mina, I'm a political activist, social justice activist, and then there are gender rights activists, but it all falls under social justice at the end of the day. Maswon. Marati activism and yeah. I'm just a political activist, so yeah, and a cultural activist as well. I must include that because tani loko mboreni andri chairperson ya Ibathu Vatsonga va tax and nti dyondzisa swo tala ngopfu because nifika kwalano it was because loko nifika UP first thing ni vona ku ri no hinkwenu vulwa xilungu maswona a ni nga swi twisisi ku ri ku endleka no loko nifika laya even to a point where Xitsonga xa mina xi sungula ku miseka manjeni maswo se skate a ri kona ka ECD ya lembe ra lero maswo so lela nga joina a Itivaneni Vatsonga va tax score and then ke kusukela wena swi vona ku ri no society leyi yi kahle ngopfu and it must grow because the message behind it is very important and as far as mahlweni like so that's how kahle I the way nhlanganisa ku activism ya mina ikona maswo
Namito, you're an activist, a cultural activist, a political activist. Ni nlakutai angle ya cultural so I relate so much about Aniri a chairperson ya Vatsonga Vatsonga. Tani Vatsonga we face a lot of injustice in terms of tribalism. Me twa ngari tani chairperson me si mentionlise kuyini ku addressa that tribalism he face ku tani the students at the institution to fana na va UP because obviously loko ri Vatsonga ahlangana vanhu va hi label mavito amashangano whatever and you can see ku swindleliwa ku hi moka so ngona tani chairperson me swindlise kuyini ku addressa such injustices ka vanhu vo fana na Vatsonga.
Okay, no, so first thing loko ngena I realized no because IUP to be honest there's an even bigger challenge which is racism maswo so loko ngena swibe easy ku rena ihlangana for ku hlangana na the culture tin'wana the cultural society tin'wana because there's the Zulu society as well and then korna UP society it was founded last year and then the Bapedi, Batswana, and so Mashwan. So first thing I did in these societies, no, we must challenge these things head on, Mashwan, and you must know. And during that platform, I just took it to say, no, as Vatsonga because we face injustices. Mashwan, especially I remember there was this guy Zulu society Machangani. So and I made sure that guy was easy because I laid a complaint. Mashwan. So kube like nhlangana na vanhu lava na vona ava tiyimiserini ku ri hi hlangana mativa as the tribe tin'wana maswo so when I told them ku ri no a swi khomanga kahle ku ri amashangani ntiso kona hi machangani impela mara the essence in which they use it to demean us and to discriminate us maswo so I was met with people who were equally committed maswona ku ri va heta tribalism na vona and va hi twisini loko hi va byela ku ri no this is what you actually call for maswona but the biggest cause of tribalism leswi nga ta mi byela swona it's how we grew up hinkwenu maswona because van'wani va kula va kha byeriwa ku ri no machangani hi vanhu I know some parts in the Eastern Cape that told ku ri machangani are cannibals you know so yeah
so stays ngopfu I came across a woman ngibutisa ku ri wa ku tivana le Limpopo na aku skwala South Africa
na mina
loko no vuta ku tamchana
so
sometimes loko sorry kumngena no sometimes loko uba active la Xitsonga va ta ku aniskoti kahle mara va ta ku yini leyo as if
what's that yes
evula language ya wena ku iyise so
it's very different
so sifana na loko munhu ka vulavula na yena ne aku ntweni swaso
akanyanga taking so so yeah it was basically because of that so we championed tribalism in UP I can say mara obvious it would take a lot of years and and a lot of build up kore kota ku win against tribalism totally.
So what about I don't remember the exact word, mara tribalism in a tribe.
No. So one of the challenges again, and Rebelo kusubula in Kenzango says Kate, no. I remember correctly, there was these differences that so there used to be this thing you Machangani male bush. Machangani male Giani, Ili, Malamlele, Sotan, Maswo, Palavura, so and so. So you'd find Kurban Valley Bush, they would get sidelined by Van Giani and stuff. Yeah, Maswo. So we would, I would have that challenge. Maswo, it would be tribalism within a tribe. You know, in activist language, you call it regionalism. Maswo, because I believe because when I'm Giani, Milanoma Ilim, I'm more Tsonga than you. Maswo, I'm more original than you. Maswo. So it's a very difficult challenge, but we were able to conquer it now. Maswo, right now as we speak, IUP specifically, they are one. Maswo. Mara, I can say on a greater extent. As Machangani, as Vatsonga Machangani, we still have a challenge with that. Maswana, because it doesn't take much. One conversation, conversation limbok na one what jola kurno one valley bush, I Machangan Mampela, because in Lashul 1, 2, 3 in Lewan, and I saw na so yes, Maswo. So it just needs Don Savan, all these things. In an advantage, Aleo, Chavili, Renamona says kid, Maswo. So,
me conquering Jani.
No, it was, I think, when we made, firstly, we invited the first ever event, Rambe Vets alumni name, because Vets Komanani, 2003, that's a long time. So they're more experienced than us. So Stephen Gore, we had to find people who have done this before. So Rambe, and then lecturer and we'll host these things called the Tsonga Thursday, IUP. Even now they are still happening, but they're not as constant because of how busy the year is. So Tsonga Thursday, we would educate about history about Tsonga, because we believe that when we educated people, and it doesn't mean just because you are based in Guyana, you are more Tsonga than someone who's based in Ilim. At the end of the day, so we would just make those efforts to educate people.
And what was turnout?
Very great. It was very great because I remember now, Van Valley Bush, they were starting, because they rejected the society. I remember, they rejected it and said, no, we don't want to join the society. But when we hosted this Tsonga Thursdays, those were the people who said, we have improved. We have improved, and then they came back, and then now they started being comfortable. Obviously, challenge it was better than where we were before. So
I think Chungwani, she lokominanerka isi lay na yona ya tribalism within a tribe. Akuruku naloko kuruku we have a specific day la ngata ku namuntlha ya ku dondiseni ka vanhu swileswi nguma ku vanhu avati. And then now we have an event. Vanhu lava va nga tangi ku le va ta dyondza va ta layani va fika va cause a problem. Ma ku ri ku hi ku vona a va dyondzangi swileswi se va a problem too. Even vanhu lava va nga dyondza, and then swi endla hi nga ri a ku na progress.
Exactly. It was a challenge kahle because those Thursdays where you I think it's called
Vatsonga Thursday.
Idzumben Thursdays, yes. So vanhu lava mhlangana na vona aka idzumba nini mavati vana n'wina ma swi vona because krama swikandza, and the more you are with them mi tiva na mavito ma vona ma swi vona. So loko miyaka opening function because that's your version of our bride day maswo loko miyaka opening function and then you meet new faces, those people abasamba donza abasamba taka aizumbeni. So it's easy for them because our steve loko mba byela tribalism within a tribe wenge twisisi because abangari kona atlasini maswo se
amala ke amahlweni.
I know anfareni
I think xin'wana xi nga a big issue ka tribe ya hina i timhaka ta ku history ya hina a yi documentiwanga. It's like a hi ti tivi and we don't know prominent figures leti ti nga endla ku hi fika laha hi nga fika kona. Ku na vanhu vo a ni swi tivi, let me just say this mara a hi lani lava ku ya kona. Sweswi hi tiva vanhu vo fana va kokwani Chauke ne i munhu va le ka social media va endla swa misawu na swin'wana na swin'wana, but a hi va tivi vanhu vo fana na va Hudson Ntsanwisi which are very prominent figures ka tribe ya hina ya Vatsonga ne. So I think xin'wana xi nga problem i timhaka ta ku a hi document hambi sweswi I document the inanta hina. Another thing is the fact ya ku mara lexi a swi like as question ku ri okay xo sungula ma ngi tiva Hudson Ntsanwisi
very much is ngitiva ngopfu.
so mi tiva andle yini ka Gaza before mina ni hlamula mi tiva
no Hudson Ntsanwisi I think sorry if I'm extending them mara the reason I would say the reason why it is not so documented maswona is because of how the legacy of how his legacy is trying to be vilified maswona because arguably when apartheid la South Africa maswona they made these homelands, tribal homelands, you'd know Venda, Gazankulu, Siskai and Buthatswana maswo. So Ntsanwisi was part of these people in this administration who were told no, you're going to be a tribal chief of this homeland ya Vatsonga maswona. People was told is going to be in the Venda homeland and then Mangope in Buthatswana, Opatgozo in Siskai maswo. So when local ANC were in exile or the first few terms that they got maswana chance when they saw they are not benwangi from political activity mangitwa comrade Chigebenga mos so va comrade Chigebenga va yenge vanhu ku ri no jikela Ntsanwisi democracy mampela shata so it was easy for those people. That's why even today kahle the legacy ya Ntsanwisi is they try to vilify it so much maswana because of how democracy came about and because they are not but they were as the agent, the apartheid, maswo. So Stan, it's like I go Suswani, hey, God forbid, kube apartheid, maswo. And then logo inko not jola kore. I like kuba involved in the government.
Yeah. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid.
God forbid. God forbid.
Mara before va nga hetisa ne mara na question leyi lawa ku vuya ka yona with regards to maka apartheid na yena Ntsanwisi mara hetisa swa mbula
so loko byela sweswa as vanhu vantima because obvious a ku ri na ti-caucus leyi endleka maswo hi byela ku ri no I nge ngheni maka leya ya ti-tribal homelands maswona because loko sweswo va byela ku ri a nge ngheni maswona it won't start destroy that plan maswona leyi zama ku yi endla because loko va ku hi la ku establish ti-tribal homelands and then there's no one who's saying I'm going to be a chief, then they won't establish those homelands because there's not going to be a chief maswona. And even if it's there maswona, it's going to be difficult for them to operate through it because it will now be oppressive. They were trying to make apartheid have a black face basically maswona. So it's one a stake. So those caucuses they exist even in I forgot 1980 man marakorna this thing that P.W. Botha, Agor Prime Minister of South Africa during apartheid, he established something called the tricameral parliament. A parliament because the parliament was whites only. And then he said, no, we can now include Indian and colored people in parliament. And then the Indian and colored people, they caucused and then they agreed, no, we're not going to do this. If it's either freedom or no freedom at all. Because because now we get to sit in the table. So that solidarity, unfortunately, doesn't even exist anymore.
Machangani Gang general segment. Mas tiva ku ri mention swin'wana laya hi timhaka ta ku preserve or ku hava la swilo swi nga documentiwa kona. So loko hi mi rhamba ku mita this is where you get to say and we document swo tala episode segment leyi ya ku documenta hi kota ku va na hina Matsonga Machangani hi va na swilo swa hina swi preserviwini.
And loko mo swi langisa kahle history ya hina ya lahleka ne ile ku lahlekeni swinene and a hi rely ka ku swilo swi ta va swi tsariwe somewhere and loko mo cheka i vangani va tsalaka sweswi and the world has migrated to these platforms. This will be the best and probably the only platform leyi vanhu va fane va ta nyika history liya loko swi tsandza hi ta documenta from here going forward.
So loko hi mi rhamba kwalano kaya kombela ku mi inana yimanyana xaka ra mina
na ta xa ngumi na mahanyelo ku xaka ra mina mana ta vula ku a ho va ku xaveleleni ka vanhu ka karhi sweswi ku ri va ta leta document va nga twi nga ri look examine and everything i mhaka we're doing the right thing what is it so abati la vanhu va ta document and mara emphasis i ku ri a hi le ku xaveleleni sweswo mi nga rivali ku swi vona
okay a hi mi xaveleli
maxaka va nge vuli
okay a hi mi xaveleli tanani loko ku ri masulava okay skipa swi ri kona 260 Jesse 360 loko ku ri ku la a Gauteng wa tiva a vulavurisana hi ku fikisela kwala u tshamaku kona loko ku ri ku mi kumeka outside of Gauteng mi ngetela R100 ntsena ivi hi mi fikisela kwala mi tshama kona.
Mina question ya mina hi vuchongotelo i ku Hudson Ntsanwisi i hanye o administration ya yena a yi ri minkarhi leya apartheid loko ku ri mu Magiyani mi ta pfumelana na mina ku at that time or during that time Giyani was at its peak
very
a yi ndla kahle ngopfu economically. I was watching a video va kha va ku in I don't know if it's 1980 or somewhere there GDP ago I 100 million and at that time I'm sure that was a lot of money.
Too much.
Mara question ya mina iku okay before ni a question hi nkarhi wa Hudson a ku ri na va Unigas ku na va Giyani College a ku ri na parliament ka video leyi ni yi vulaka ni ngo ni yi voni ka YouTube loko mo yi vo parliament leswi a yi ri swona ti structures leti nga kona ti nga ko sweswiwa tingelungi ka leswi parliament a yi ri swona at the time architecture a yi ri ya matimba ngopfu. My question is, don't you think as much as apartheid a yi run and the viewers mi nga ni cinci mi ku mina ni favor apartheid but ni vutisa hi side ra Hudson ku don't you think hi nkarhi wa Hudson things were better as compared to lava va rhanaku Giyani sweswi because if you look at those ntaku yini ti building ti tivulaku ndhawu leti tivulaku a ti ri Giyani either a ta ha ri kona or loko wo ya emarumbi or something so don't you think hi nkarhi wa Hudson Ntsanwisi things were better as much as a ku ri apartheid mara he was doing something for his own people as compared to sweswi hi ngo hi na ntshunxeko.
No. So, xo sungula, I think ni fanele nyika background nyana maswona of what I think about the whole thing. Maswo. Se mina Ntsanwisi kahle ne as someone who has invested in poetry and stuff, kuna xitlokovetselo xin'wani. Ni rivele ku ri xa mani, ni rivele mihlokovetseri mara a xi ri xa Hudson Ntsanwisi. Maswo ni xi endleka grade 11. Maswo. So, a va n'wi veka tanihi nhenha. Maswona ya Xitsonga ya Vatsonga ya Machangani maswona se Hudson Ntsanwisi if I was to put it in the right essence he was a communist maswona he was very much a communist so in as much as it was in a corrupt system he did help us a lot and the things that we benefited from his administration asifuna ngofu maswona because I remember hulwa mina aye hulu mjani se hulu mina that time abari hulu unis nem so abari Giyani Teaching College maswona. So loko va ri Gyan Teaching College aba ni byela kahle a swi fana sweswi Mchavelera ni swi tiva ku ri ni receive NSFAS na maswona mara NSFAS sweswi i 1.7 ntsongo ngopfu mali leyo maswona yeah so a kota ku ndla nchumu because it literally comes to a time where you say no this month in shaba swimbalo this month you have to choose between kushaba swimbalo na kushaba swakudya maswona
Dripa or
wa dripa kumbe intana hanga is temporary so in nkarhi wa Ntsanwisi ne you'd have that stipend as a student and then kuba na va suta na yini kambe ti voucher ta swimbalo maswona where you go to stores and get clothes it's a hlangananga na stipend xa wena as student it's unaffected maswona wa ri na stipend xa wena xa student and you'll do anything you want hi mali leyo maswona mara at the same time you also can buy clothes maswona ku ri n'hweti yin'wana nga vula ku ri ai mara a ni la ku xava swimbalo n'hweti leyi se nxava maswona so i kuma ku ri stipend xexo xi nghena same time na that voucher maswona so otherwise I would say ku ri Ntsanwisi he is a hero in Nena Ikulungofu maswona and the way that he would do things through his administration maswona skontirile swi exista kwa Giyani even to this day even the highways and everything akuri Ntsanwisi maswona and if unangovu misaluwe and mina I take highly of
kambe Ntsanwisi ba lava ba nga hisana na statement tani Vatsonga hi sivula statement and when I was the statement lesha and when I chava and swi le ku endleke mata xi statement xa kona mashaka amistivi xa Ntsanwisi yi ri na famba ya sala mendlani mifumo ya van'wako
mara mashaka mina ku twisa laha i van'wako kumbe i van'wako
no mata ku ri mina yi twisa question ya wena and se leswi nga endleka ku ze va vutisa so kumbe xani boti Mchaveleri i ku loko Ntsanwisi ya statement xexo premier yo sungula le Limpopo ya xidemocracy vitanana ku ri n'wako ra Mutlhodi
Serious?
So swi ve controversial a swi endleka ku it's a prophecy mara anga vuli sweswo anga vuli sweswo and that statement loko va ku statement anga lo xi tsala a xi tsolo ku mi ta fuma hi van'wako ve ri teka helicopter misa loyi a teka helicopter
ni ta famba moyeni ka tala
xi teka helicopter xi famba muganga leyi hinkwayo le Giyani xi ku mi ta sala mfuma hi van'wako maswo se
so was it a coincidence?
It was a coincidence, I suppose. So, but otherwise, his legacy is very good. The way he emphasized on education, the way he emphasized and the way that he loved his people, I'm still very inspired by that. He was under a wrong system that Leni reject to this day.
So, loko se ingenelela ngopfu se ka mhaka leyo ya ku ya the independent homeland and Gaza and mina honestly ani nga swi tivi na ku swi tiva recently ku na Venda a yi ri independent.
Yes.
So it's something leswi vo tala va hina hi nga swi tivi. That's why ni vurini ka vayingiseri va hina ni ku ni sure ku namuntlha hi ta ya dyondza swo tala especially hi history ya hina na ku hi suka kwini. A hi vulavuleni nyana hi the independent homelands.
Okay.
Kuri swi suka kwini loko ni kha in my research ni kuma ku ava still it was a certain way ya ku kota ku va tlhela va ta dependa kwala South Africa mara ku ri ku it's independent.
It's independent.
Yeah.
No, so its origin ane ndasundzuka ku ri ku sayiniwe Group Land Areas Act ani during apartheid la segregate ku ri no this tribe will stay here, this tribe will stay here, this race will stay here. Maswan and us the white people, not as but I'm just saying Maswan. So susungule kwala kahle kahle inkosi, that's where it all started. So now the tribal homelands, it started in 1976. Maswo, that was years after the Group Land Areas Act. Maswo. So that whole thing, it was like it's an extension of the Group Land Areas Act. Maswo, whereby they say no, you can govern yourselves. Maswo, it was for me, I'll say akuri ntsusheko ya fake. Maswon, because they would make us believe, Koring, if you don't have water today, Ntsanwisi is not leading you properly. Instead of you looking at the apartheid government, Maswon, for you to not have water today, Impepu as the vendor president, who's making you to not have, instead of looking at the apartheid government. Abalaba scapegoat, Maswon. And so that's what it was. And so, vendor, it was a very great kingdom. You know, kuna ngoma liya ya Black Motion. I guess it's a feature now because Black Motion is banning. So this song is called Takara, you know. So that song, it puts people there. You see a post that it puts people who is the vendor president. And then they embrace that history because I would say arguably we all love these people as tribes. Because never vendor runs people too much. Even to this day, they still praise him as much as I praise Hudson Ntsanwisi, as I told you about the I think arguably the only people who got the homelands in Limpopo, the homelands, there were three that I can note out. It was Gazankulu, Venda, na Transkei. Not Transkei, man, sorry, Transvaal. So the people were hated because our the dictator, Opat from Transkei, Siskai, Siskai, it was Siskai want to stand, that's what they call it. So yeah, Misalo Adlai, I saw Tlang. There was freedom, and you were able to even, there were even bylaws that were chosen for you to elect your own people and stuff that were going to represent you parliamentally. And that's what it would end, unfortunately. Mara, so the homelands thing one, yeah, she said look upon opposition. That's what made, by the way, that's what made Holomisa, General Holomisa, to be popular. It's because in the what we call a coup d'etat. Siskai, and then Abu Putatswana, it was a very difficult subject because Lucas Mangope, his main thing was against us. Machangani mangena lawan. Because he was against us, his agenda it was against us, and he classified us as barbarians. But I haven't really gotten a notion of so it was based on tribalism, most of them basically. So I would say Ntsanwisi was better.
That's compared to the
others. Yes. Yeah. Because Ntsanwisi would allow people there. And he was very open, he was very welcoming. And this tribal homelands, it was made for that, to divide and conquer. That's why when Logoban Babu are exiled, Cambridge gave exile. But when Bota Logoba exiled, Fanabo Chris Hani, so they said, no, agenda apartheid to Melerin, it's successful because they managed to say, okay, they must be divided. When I look at Gazankulu, of course, exception being made to people who were in Soweto and other townships, but they divided us, and that was it, because that's where you started saying, no, Mazulu, and I think tribalism, because they classify us all as non-humans, not all of them, of course, but like, yes, the many of them. When I get the video at TikTok, sometimes, yeah, so it's like that.
I know one I see one guy YouTube, you see,
exactly. Yeah.
I'm always Ntama kanti vutisa usually ku tivitana magaza ne loko mo cheka ka history Gaza I vito ra kokwani wa ni nga no hoxisa mara very vito ra kokwani wa Soshangani.
Oh, serious?
Yes.
Okay.
So I vito ra kokwani wa Soshangani, Soshangani loyi anga Mzulu, ne? And then anga, I don't know if this is the right word to use, but anga establisha tribe ya
Vatsonga Machangani.
Is it Vatsonga Machangani or
Machangani?
Yes.
Okay.
So mara ka namuthla in today's world, hetivitana magaza. Ayi hoxisi loko hetivitana obviously swa hi tsakisa loko hi magaza vele na xigaza na swin'wana mara ivitira kokwani wa munhu a ri Mzulu hi ku ya hi history or ku ya leswi mi ni tivaka swona mi vona njhani yo yaleyo?
Okay, but Chavi, that time ne first of all.
But Chav.
No. So there was
CMC
That's how to go next.
no. So that time ne abangari maZulu as yet. That's why until if mina experience na tinganga na. Maswona but if mina experience na tinganga you know ku loko uma mkwembu yin'wana ya vanguni yin'wana ya vandawu maswona so vanhu lava nga migrate from KwaZulu or what is known as KwaZulu today and then vangata aka Gaza they are known as nguni ebanguni kahle maswona vakasithole vakanxumalo as well maswo ebanguni vanhu balabo maswo so loko Soshangana afika so Gaza isuka kwini I wouldn't know I don't know maswana ani swi and mi nga dyondzisa loko mi swi tiva na n'wina mara mina what I know is that very Soshangana ifika ka Gaza because our history obvious it's oral yonsana ririmi so maswana that's why platform yaba sesikhithi ri important so money you know so platform is important because that's where we can actually document our history mara going back before deviate so loko Soshangana afika layani ka Gaza or what is known as Gaza he ikume hina Vatsonga kahle because namna Mtsonga na vakamukhodi Vatsonga maswo ifika laya akuma ku ri ku hava hosi maswo and isuka kwini KwaZulu la ku tiva ku system ya tihosi ku ri no ku hava there's no homeland without a king maswo so loko afika la ka Gaza la ikuma ku ri hava hosi because wena mchavilero loko ku vutsa ku ri manhosi ya wena eta ku ibota wona nkulu that's why ku ri na hosi na Ntsisana maswo so ifika la kuma ku ri okay because wa vutisa vele that's how it was done maswo ku ri okay hosi ya n'wina yi kwini so eta kombo bota wona ku no hosi ya mina yi bota mina lapha maswo
avutsa sis Kate
se ava kombetelana anga swi tivi ku ri swilo ku ri vanhu lava va tihosi maswo and then ke afika la and then obvious processes happened I can't get deep into that what happened because unfortunately it's war so they got there and then obvious it was concluded at the end of the day ku ri no itava Vatsonga Machangani because vanhu va Soshangani they were called Machangani so we collided into one kingdom known as Vatsonga Machangani so the reason why loko ya xikolweni va ku Xitsonga kumbe hi Vatsonga is because obvious you can't say it imagine loko kusa ku ri what is your home language and then ku Xitsonga Xichangani maswo it will be long so they cut it short kahle ku no Xitsonga once maswo
So uyo hijack
Soshangani ilo hijack eta ku yini ilo hijack but I'm very happy with the love that we have for each other as Vatsonga so because mina I don't even choose ku ri no loyi Mchangani loyi myini I just obvious because we have to go back to history in such conversations maswo mara for me it doesn't even matter now maswo I won't take you less Tsonga because wena ewaka Sithole and waka Sithole ebangu maswo so
Vatsonga Machangani mara hi vubona i vanhu va accommodative ngopfu
too much
hambi asikolweni ta kuma munhu akha vulavula Xizulu or akha vulavula some other language ku ri Mutsonga mara munhu loyi a vulavulaka na yena Xitsonga anga xi tivi no ku xoweta u xowetisa ku yini Xitsonga mara Mutsonga u ta accommodate a vulavula na wena hi language ya wena
loko mkhumba leyo mara monta sone sis Kate le ka episode number manzos
ina ka episode 76
en'hwetini
eJune
kundleke yini 1976 eJune
Natala
Kahle ngobita kahle.
no ntela ene msukwetini etingani msukani eti 16 msukani oh mntwana sorry
mara mina etitani hi vantshwa sweswi nga n'hweti ya hina ende hi nga swikolweni yi katsana lava nga ri ku swikolweni n'wana wa mhani egi va kha va xi chovolela ka Facebook hi ku xi ri xo xi na degree mara my point i ku tanihi vantshwa ne hi ku n'hweti ya hina ya vantshwa mi ze mi nga hi ku na hina hi lwa nyimpi loko mo cheka history ya 1976 a va lwa hi timhaka ta ti-language ne a va lava very in Afrikaans
To be abolished, yeah.
swin'wana swilo swo taniya ne nto hi nga ri na hina tanihi Matsonga hi experience we fight the same fight ne ko va ku not in the same way hi lwa hi kwala yo tshama mara hi lufana so hi ta hi ya strike ne na ku tsa ku tanihi muntshwa wa Mutsonga, have you ever felt the need to tone down Vutsonga bya n'wina ku accommodate vanhu van'wana swi swa mbula swona ne ku fana na mina before mhlamula mina vito ra le paseni I Muchaveleri mara loko ni fika a xikolweni kumbe loko ni fika la Joni ni boye ku byela vanhu ku hi
City boy.
hi Mucha
Manu ku city boy. Rona ni confuse ngopfu ra city boy.
no swa Instagram mara nzama ku vula ku mina hi Muchaveleri mara ni boye ku ri tsema ni ku hi Mucha Muchaveleri hi Xitsonga swi vula swi swo hambana ngopfu ne loko wo cheka hi Xisuthu Xipedi na Xitswana Mucha swi vula muntshwa which is crazy again.
Yes, oh yes.
Because hi le n'hweti ya vantshwa nzama ku vula ku mina ni kote ku hunguta Vutsonga a ni swi tivi I tone down Vutsonga lebyiya bya mina ku ta accommodate Mzulu or because Mazulu a ma swi koti ku vula ku Muchaveleri a va na ara in their ka language ya vona van'wani vo tindlisa a va swi lava ku vula ku Muchaveleri vo vula ku Mucha but I'm asking you guys if you ever had to tone down Vutsonga bya n'wina ku accommodate vanhu van'wanyana va nga ri ku Matsonga.
I think loko before mi hlamula swi ngopfungopfu kwala kusukela ka vito I xi lexi munhu a vhetaku a tone down Vutsonga bya yena kusukela kwala cause mina yimanyana vito ra mi hi Minkateko.
Oh, serious?
Hey,
Hear me out. I can explain.
Okay.
Kate anaseko swi suka ku I vanhu va nga ta na swona mara mina ka va zi va boheka ku ni thya ku hi mina Nkateko Blessing leswi swi vula ku xixin'we so now my name is Blessing Shirinda
Ripfumelo faith.
na swi vona ripfumelo faith vatswari va swi endla ngopfu se swi sukela ngopfu kwala kusukela kwe masungulweni kwe ka vito kweli if vito ra wena ra tsanda or it's perceived ku ra tsanda then when you go out there ufika usungula ku tone down so all I'm saying is it starts from there at the top and then so tala vele swa humelela.
No, yeah, mina vito ra tika mfo nxongotelo number 1 I had to accept that people will butcher it because of tivi
Ngutwa Mzulu.
yeah mina I had to accept even people who get offended about my name is my people who lava va nga ri kahle vito ra mina I mana mina some friends that I have, female friends, you know, they get offended, you know, when someone says ngotelo. But I got used to it because since in home affairs ngotelo. Ashkolweni ngotelo. No, so no when I know what I guess. But I had to tone down my name as well. Since me judge says Kate, I think when I'm you know, so my name ka Instagram Chavalala mina na follow na ka Instagram it's Nshongotelo Nixon Tiger Mgavini. Have you ever wondered where that Nixon comes from? The first 4 letters of my name NXON. So I just put an I between N and then it became Nixon. So it was
min na xivutiso la kahle ani mi ri vele mo matiko xikaya vakhegula a va nga mi tani boxongi
a va ri vita ra swona
swa huma ka
Nxongi swi tele maxongisi and
vula xixongi cause nxongi swi fambelana
na within that
it's not is it because
nxongotelo I mhandi
and then nxongi swi fambisana na
mara loko mi kuma ku a hi mboni ne hi vona muholeri Kashongi show ya huma ntombi yin'wana
ya mantombi
then boxongi
and that's why ni nga swi rhandzi loko vanhu van vitana hi xongi ma swi vona because na mina I have some female friends when Shongile, Shongisa, you know, Matsonga mina vitra vona Shongisa. So vanhu va vitana hi Shongi. So I got used to Shongi being a feminine name. So loko mona ku Shongi, why would you call me Shongi?
Yeah.
Maswa so nirzo ndeni vitra le ra Shongi maswa. Mara they call me and ngava jol kokwana ku kokwana.
Yeah.
So it was that, but I had to accept it. But Akaya, I just tell people, no, Shongi. Don't leave
Shongi.
out that N.
Okay.
Yes. Because Shongi, it's just more feminine. So that's why I'm going to but yeah, I'm writing over both Asia. Instead.
Yeah.
Ya ka mavitu tani Vatsonga ihlangana kutikeriwa ihlangana kutikeriwa like I said mina mimucha muncha I'm already ni muncha mara na ni vitaniwa ku ni muncha
Loko se me va papa ke ma tava mucha papa.
and then I'm Nixon, and then this is Kate. So Mucha, Nixon, Kate.
Kate
Guys, I can explain.
I says Kate, I like my cousin very Katerina.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, so importance ya leswi swo humelela ku hi the 16th of June.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ini hi mhaka ku vanhu vo tala sweswi kahle with everything leswi hi vulavulaka hi swona namuntlha hi nga ri swo tala swi lose meaning as swi famba na ku va hina we're not informed vanhu vo tala. Yeah, so sweswi there's this thing and I think mi xi khumbini ku va ri ku fa ku mbalwa as if like 16 June ya the graduates na you know like if I'll graduate very tshama kaya.
Where Mala Magawin?
The 16th of June mbalwa magaweni.
Oh, so you
loko or umbala illegalia
Nkombela ina face for this movement ne face movement ibot majuli ina gawin bot majuli
and the gown rakona fanele ba red loko ringa red ay gawin so yakule manje
miranda silo
loko va mbala magaweni on top of that loko ku ri ku awuseza va na gaweni at least regalia ya le xikolweni ke at least.
Okay.
So yeah swi lose meaning as famba or swi yeah man but vulavula swin'wana na swin'wana mara importance ya swona
youth day ne so no youth day it came from one it's like an ideology it came from an ideology of one of my biggest if not my biggest influencer in history, Steve Biko.
Okay.
You know the way Mr. Lwanga atlare kona he predicted everything. It's like now it's 48 years after his death but everything that he said.
Are you counting?
Yes.
Okay.
48 years. 1970.
Yeah.
1977 to 2025. Yeah,
Okay.
it's 48 years, much more. And everything that he said back then, almost 5 decades ago, it still applies. Nana Muntla. Much more. So Steve Biko simply said, Korem, Mawana ina aban bantema. Number one, we had at that time it was worse. Yes, we still do, ne? But that time it was worse because many people still had not accepted Kuro being oppressed. Maswon because I'm kuma kurban bongo loko ba homa ba ku ya namhlanje bala kufana namlungu maswon ya ina phela ibalungu la isama kona ina hanya kufana nabalungu you know because they associated good things nakuba mlungu Steve Biko said it very right aku black people believe kore everything that is white is right and everything that is right is white. Maswon and that's an ideology that Malcolm X followed as well kore
Ngasivula ne. Ngasiphinda.
Serious. No, I was saying kore they believe that everything white is right and everything right is white. Maswo.
Why? Nalega xinuka ne. Bolo leya white leya boya ntima. And yimela yeta letin'wana hinkwato. Se
na wena.
Na xirumpani lexi xa ntima lexi. Xa blackhead.
Blackhead.
Ku ranga ku mali ya black
That's how white chi vitaniwa yini? People.
People, white head.
I white head.
Me observe.
Yeah, me observe swin'wana swi rasa.
Ay Mike Carla samhleketo.
Observe.
Observe.
Na loko munhu a lava vavasati loko va lava ku endla xin'wana
Wa izonda wena.
xo u titwanando ne va swi te blackmail.
N'wanuna wa ntima.
Na loko
Icona white mail.
na loko
Swa bad.
na loko enda swi humelela xihundleni. Very black magic.
Hayi, ku na leyi Steve Biko a nga swi vula kahle. Steve Biko swi vule kahle a ku munhu the most horrible person endyangwini veri yini? The black sheep of the family.
The black sheep. And xin'wana xa kona ne loko wo fika kuma munhu a katsa ndanyana maybe PC nyana so. U ta fika ku u nge swi koti swa valungu. I mhaka i PC kahle I believe ku kahle mtima nga endla xin'wana so kahle. That's why ku va ku hey everything that's right is right.
Black market loko swi te yini?
Akuxavisa swa kahle.
Actually swi swa kahle.
And kuna Black Friday akandielana na matimu.
Black Friday.
As much as kahle ku chipa swilo mara why you
Black Friday.
Chipina.
Mashaka mlo kuhlengeleteni sesi for November.
No, so importance it started as the ideology of Steve Biko when gave black consciousness. You have to embrace being black, and when this movement it started in the USA by the likes of Malcolm X and Stokely Carmichael, you know, they would say black is beautiful. Those phrases, "Whoa, I'm black and I'm proud." They made sure. That's why black women at that time they used to wear wigs, and then after. Influence Malcolm X and Stokely Carmichael that started wearing afros. That's why if you go to the video that 60s, America, afro, you know, these big afros, the artists, Aretha Franklin and Nina Simone.
Ngibone isihlabi. Isihlabi xa J John.
Oh, must one. Yes, must one. So we used to embrace our natural hair because we took the wig. Hey, please, I'm just saying what happened that time. Please, I'm just saying that time they just accepted the wig as a colonial influence. Because you have to look as white as possible. Must want for you to qualify. Must want for you to meet a societal standard. Must want so babeke my society that's the power of their influence. Must want so Steve Biko realized the first step towards emancipating is to tell you no, you are fine as a black person. Yeah, to emancipate your mind. Yeah. You are fine as a black person. Embrace being black and that's all. Because he realized the problem started there. And then now he made these organizations, Azapu, Azayo, and the likes. And in those organizations, the youth was subscribing to the ideology because no, but he's right. And then came the question. And they're even making us study in Afrikaans so that we can believe that Afrikaans is an educational language. Afrikaans is a competition. No. You know, even in our society, yes. Yeah. Even some other grades, you know, we say Korea stupid and everything. You know, even growing up, you know, some people would come to the family function. I'm from my family, I'm just saying. Hey, yeah.
From experience.
But yeah, it's from experience, because some people will say Korean. Listen, guess what? This one, stop going to Gigamoon. Maravan Vangwan, I walk no one a minute blushing on Sanitarian. Must one because it got a blush lungun and Angabula bullish Changan, one Metarango, Changangish Bula Kotash lungun. Must one. So it starts there. Local Samagan, and even those people who stay in suburban areas, they say, Korean, it's Samawa Lunguini, I Samela Lokshin, Nangan, and stuff. Must one because we still believe everything or white is the standard of living. Must one. So even Nashkol in Shavalungu. Even if it's an all-black school like Kuro in Prochad Lane, and colored people and Indian people, Mara. No, Nashkol and Shabalung, Maswan, boss, people who have bosses at work, Batakum Lungwa mean. That time Monokona is a black person. Maswana, because we have placed the standard.
And a taxi ne taxi driver imhaka yena nyika mali bayivitana
serious. So shitano, it's very painful to see how our society has been disintegrated. So Steve Biko just came about that, and then now that youth said, no, we can't accept this to happen, because at the end of the day, these people that are imposing their language on us, why can't we study this in Xitsonga? Why can't we study this in this language, in Zulu, in Sesotho, and so forth? So they came about, and then they fought. And one thing that I will tell you, the elders, me as an EFF member, I have that problem with elders saying, no, EFF I am live lawan maswon.
Mi da twa ku vitana munhu wa AFF hi mhaka ku ta mani luya a vitaniwe ka AFF
No. So look at EFF, because EFF, one thing that we can agree on is more appealing to the youth. So the difference that we have between us sometimes, many of us, is that EFF and that thing is normal. In 1976, let me tell you this, ANC, they released a statement, we are against this anarchic youth that wants to start an uprising. In Soweto, they released the statement. I'll get that statement before this episode launches. That statement. They released that statement. ANC we're against that thing. And the youth said, no, we're going ahead anyways. We don't care about what the ANC said. So this difference between us, the younger generation, it has always been there. And by the way, the elders, they never even joined. That's why it was just genuinely children, teenagers in school uniform who went and said we're against Bantu education. And funny thing, and that's why I'm always against the impact of alcohol against society. Because the first thing that they did... cancel party le. So what they did, and because obvious the Dutch settled and the you know what they went. It's not like strike in. Well, they are our grandfathers now, but when they strike in that time, they never went home after the Soweto uprising. Mother could win by the tavern. Bafika bafetela ma crate bafika babetetela ba khala jola ba re laya ku rile ku dlai wena ngona busy lokuni ka jwala me bone mabhunu makama edlai milokuni ka jwala me swikoti ku oppose ina loko ila ku lisa abantu education me lokuni ka majwala ngwini me twa swibhamu amentli nchumu lokuni ka jwala life ngona ina nzangofu maswon. So they just went then, they started attacking their parents, they started attacking everyone. No, we are frustrated, we just got killed. And when I'm Samuel, I'm looking at Jala Kananzia, Metlanga Jazz.
Yeah, I think from what you're explaining, so komba ku tani vanti ma ifika ka point le ku we think ku humelela ekufana na mlungu ne ku humelela since I listen to hip hop, their definition of success is having a white person as a neighbor, or something like that. As long as he read close, we think we made it in life. So what I want to ask, because Marco mentioned 1976, via bar the elders, because Jala is it's a pandemic.
You saw what they did to Warren Masimola.
And my question is, how do we now conscientize? And it's to conscientize.
Yes, to conscientize.
Tonga.
Conscientize. Is it conscientize njani?
If I conscientize njani?
One, okay.
Vanhu lavo one. Vatsonga basically. Vatsonga because I'm not Vatsonga, but obviously we have Xitsonga. Let's start to Vatsonga. But my point is, how do we make them conscious? How do we make them see? They have to be informed about their history. They have to know these things swavo biko. They have to know why are we celebrating 16 June? Because man, what the fukela va huma va squeaky, ava TV stress 16 June. So as a young activist, we try ngari hinga skota njani ku conscientize vantshwa.
No, so it brings me back to what I always say in my points. 16 June is not a holiday that was made for us. Don't take it as an opportunity. Okay, I'm not going to class, I'm going to drink alcohol. I'm not saying people should not celebrate and the way that they want to celebrate, but it was not made because of that. It was just a day to commemorate the heroic actions of Bantu education, the heroic actions against Bantu education by Youth Layer 1976. So, and what it means, Youth Day, it should be a reflection of where we come from in society, and where we're still going as society. And then we should be comparing, okay, compared to then to now, what is it that improved as black people? Because there's still people who do Africans, and now it's worse because they make you pay to do Africans. You go to John's and then you expect to learn Xitsonga. They'll teach you Africans. So in UP we had this protest. I'm sure it was called Africans Must Fall, IUP. So Africans Must Fall, IUP, we still have these, we still have these buildings that are named after these old white people. You know, there's this building called Merensky. Merensky is the very same person. It's a library, Merensky. So it's named after a person who said, black people will never enter this university. And now that's why I say fail IUP Shem. It's because we study. That's why I fail because Chancellor's building is named after these chancellors, like old white chancellors. That's why personally I like Vez, because there's one Robert Sobukwe building, Solomon Mahlangu, and so forth. So when it comes to decolonization, we're still far. So 16 June, it should be a day that frustrates us. As society, we have not improved actually.
Yeah, if I didn't make sure we see because the history of Natabu Ntsanwisi, I later find it straw from podcast. I find it John. There was a time in history I don't know about Napoleon Bonaparte. I understand
France, yeah.
I understand Queen. Because logo ula about Ntsanwisi war related na some situation didn't get go million currently, and how they used to work around that situation. Ileka cause you will see ileka. But one bele Tsungen I've simple related na bona ite magateleka. I've simple and I've simple to a point yaku mo etelela me go tinweleni I send serious azaleni, of which it's not even solving. Mara for real na cool is na as you say cool, mara something must happen.
And like most check ani ilong weekend says emago June 16 Monday. Ban bata se mago bago nwen. Kuta ku ngarna le shishin lo ago June 16 maybe kulang ta ku so the one why go holiday ago en la kai na wo mashaka la budget is right for June 16 kwa boruwe. So I think skaka go ibala so one wa go sta ku stinjan so June 16 and the finance teacher in Delhi because na me antunduki ntamini celebrate June 16 me na tongo jamena ni indlela leyan fani endla yo leswi nga xana nombala uniform ya kunweni was is
had a problem
motizanyana mara it is not uniform watchbona so nto so June 16 saku and kuhle hitlelo ke bazene tlakala le hete la ngare exact Peterson
it's demeaning, and she delisa abalungu hayi kurina bazonda abalungu ne okay, I couldn't have simple as that. I couldn't have
Yeah.
So, but see, the lesson I have because now they take this holiday. No, we're not celebrating the very same way that we're supposed to. Maswan. Now, what am I saying? Not Joala. Kasi Korea Dakwan. Maswan, and they now don't realize no, it's a societal problem. So, yeah, what decolonization was still far, and that's what we're fighting for right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, time is swing like a general segment. Mastiva musi kaya kupaleni.
I saw a screen. Tata screen kwalani. Kwalinga kona khoma screen.
Okhomela yini?
Bokhoma na usekhoma.
Now, he said. So,
Khoma screen kwalani.
Hey, yeah. Yeah, kutsakisini swinene hi vulavuli timhaka to tala ngopfu. I think mfane mhlembuya hi ta yisa mhaka leyi mahlweni. Kuna swo tala ngopfu leswi ni twaku nga ri na swivutiso swa swona leswi hi nga swi vulavulaka ku ya emahlweni mara hi kha hi ya ku pfaleni i yini lexi n'wina mi hopa ku xi achieve with you being you and you being an activist and ku ya mahlweni in your journey?
Well, I'll say first and foremost, of course, economic freedom and the restoration of consciousness in the black society and more class consciousness, racial consciousness and cultural consciousness amongst our people. Our people the language you know, as a chairperson you've met the similar experience, you know, there used to be some people but no kombela. They used to say it in English but no kombela na swivula ku ri mi vulavula ngopfu Xitsonga lawani ni kombela ku ri mfaka na English because mina ni tiva xilungu ntsena maswona and then munhu vitanani man I muchaveleri Chavalala i Xitsonga straight maswona mara a nga swi koti ku vulavula xilungu and I'm telling those who are watching, I'm not a parent, but parents who are watching, please teach your children their home languages at a young age. It's not being barbaric, it's not anything. That's why platform is important so as kid, because you got to do savannah from a young age. So please teach your children their home language at a young age. Because it's their home language. Because they become excluded so, and then now they are going to blame us please reduce it and they even cry
and magali in kwatsa ngopfu swi ka lo ku ri December even then swihlanga swa hala wa swi vaka kaya ku fa ku va na problem le cause so much lungwini a bird auntie
Fekisa vana va hina.
kuna video wena tshama yi trend ne kambe rini xin'wana kha xi vulavula English
Xi vulavula na kokwana wa xona.
na tlanga ya xona I think it was emazulu vanhu lavana a va ri busy kha vulavula English xi u nga sikhulumisi ngezi
Oh yeah.
u nga sikhulumi xi ta xi ku so I think i mhaka yin'wana kahle ngopfu leyo vanhu va dyondzisa
Yo mhaka fambani ka dyondza na Kate mi ta kota ku dyondza Xitsonga vana va n'wina va kota ku kuma background ya Xitsonga layani
mani
Xitsonga na mani
last listen background ya Kate idea manjini kurisa ku Kate
yeah
katekani
ansungula but mchaveleri xivutiso xo hetelela hi ta kota ku pfala
mina I think ni coverini swo tala leswi ana covera swona mara lexi na ku xi vula ne i ku vatswari va nga tshiki ku thava na vona maviti ya Xitsonga ne because obviously vele loko hi fika haleni i ta vitaniwa wa mucha mara the most important thing i ku preserve Vutsonga lebyiya ne a ni tshama ni twa mulungu va ku hi yena Khazamula va vitaniwa Khazamula loko Khazmul balungu usually a ku ri na mulungu n'wana mina huma kona ne a suka America hi n'wi vitana Ntsako ne obviously i pfumela viti ra Ntsako because wa swi vona ku hi nge ri koti viti ra yena ne mara the most important thing i ku hina hi nga tshiki ku vatswari not hina hi ku mani na n'wana mara na mina loko ni ta na n'wana ta n'wi thya n'wana wa mina ku viti ra Xitsonga so vatswari va nga tshiki ku thya vana va vona maviti ya Xitsonga just to preserve the culture and the language and na sweswi mi nga swi vula so vana va dyondzisiwa Xitsonga.
Yeah.
So yeah, marito ya mina yo hetisela malama.
Yeah,
Machangani, speaking of names, ne? Mina kwata marita mina xilungu. Swi kahle ku nga ri
somewhere.
ran kwatisa nyimba problem nyimba. Nyimba problem. Munhu loko a ri na nyimba ivi a va addicted to something, ne? A ta xifumbela mina. As right. Okay, muni mnyika assignment loko mi lava ku reveal ne. Vitana ma ri kumeka ka yini? A ku na bag leyi nga ta xava xi nga ri kona xi lexiya. So from is insensible. Matisa nyana. Bakufela ku loko tihomo ti ri henhla ne. Mali ya ai delete ivi va right. So mini fela yini. And I think that's affecting because growing up ne ani nga dyi red meat. I mavisa me anti dyela white meat, fish na chicken ntsena. So I think na me antele ngopfu buroho mirini na. Masibona so loko siteka ka mavito ne as boy so mavito ma xilungu. Bo beauty. Iloko lava sibona ku hayi kwendleka yini.
Agreement, respect.
Ma ibona? No I got mara malama antswa ka lettuce vanhu mawe.
Anyways, yeah, yo ni vurini masunguleni ka episode leyi ku ri ta dyondza ngopfu namuntlha ni sure ku vayingiseri va hina ku na swin'wana na swin'wana sweswi mi nga doba kwalaha ka conversation leyi a hi ri na yona namuntlha a tshami kahle na nxongotelo hi khenze swinene ku va mi va na hina. I really hope you come back again ni ta swi yisa mahlweni swilo leswi. It's so interesting, like the conversation was very interesting. Yeah,
it was very insightful xilungu ne.
Okay.
Kuna n'wana ta vata ka vito ra a nyika n'wana. Insightful.
Mhaka ku a hi languti this episode ni ri na nyimba.
Kwala mi nga kona ma swi twa ku ri la ku huma yini na ku huma marito ma xilungu. Anyways guys, in tshama ni kha ni vula ku ti-applications ta ti-university ti pfurini kombela ku mi ya apply please. Next year I love the problem to vanhu va ku va la ku nghenisiwa hi ti-back door because you did not apply this year. As pusher education, pusher consciousness and all of that. Please guys, kombela ku mi ya apply and then ti thota hina loko se hi ta next year mulamukela ka grade 12 hi ta hlangana kwele UCT, UWC, hi le kuteni, Univen, UL kombela ku mulungza swilo swa n'wina hi kota ku fika kwalano. It is 26th ta July hi le ku yeni ya NWU, UP hi le kuteni hi ti 6th ta September kombela ku milungheka ha tshami kahle kwala na mani kan famba na
Boti mchaveleri Chavalala.
Boti chavi until hi hlangana na kambe ka episode leyi tako hi sweswo.
Money.
Yeah, prof. Hey.
It was nice.
Thank you. Don't. So
Yeah, me asele ko yako ani utsa ngo chenla cause ni vona nkarhi ne. Ani la ku utsa ku what can you say about Collins Chabane, the late?
And the la.
Yeah, we should have.
You know, I mean,
oh no.
Bonan marase mani in marase.
No, the late Collins Chabane, I think he was a reflection of what a true activist is, and especially local Vatsonga. Maswana, because the things that he did for the society are very large, you know. He really deserved that we named that municipality after him.
Yeah.
Maswana, because he never did anything wrong. In all departments that he performed in, he was excelling. Maswana, and Atama Kamika Shokore, we are included in everything. Maswana, even now, because I won't go into detail Maswana. Mara, it's because of him and the impact that he had on music. The struggle song totality, by the way, they were composed by him the time he was in exile. Maswana, but struggle songs, I won't say they were composed by him exactly, but like obvious, it's formed in a group. Maswana, so he composed struggle songs. Those who know him, Mengash they know he used to sing na Dr. Thomas Chawut. Maswana, yes, he used to. They even joined each other on stage because they were close. So Maswana, Naleka ANC, he was like that. He was very big in music. Maswana, so I think is a very important person, and I'm happy to see Kore legacy and it's very much fulfilled.
Yeah, true. Koshota, hey, man, commercial me kuba fulfill Hudson. Honestly, I think there is kuna high school inga name after him. Mara name high school after Hudson after he was chief minister.
Chief minister.
You need to name him after a big establishment.
Yes.
So Sukuta TUT Agiani and Steve.
Or even Gianni itself, it can be named. It can be named that Ntsanwisi municipality from Mopani.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mara, it has to be a big establishment. Kungevi just a high school in an area and a Hoitiva area. I think Kuala Palavura. It has to be something big. Ku honora Hudson Ntsanwisi. And also Mamandela vanati quote leti nga duma ne never shall
never again.
Va Martin Luther King, I have a dream ne. Yeah, Hudson na yona efani because as much as people will batai langtela hands because of the of a certain weight there, mara azama kukombisa ku mina I did what I could do, mara sema njikela ne lava nga ta sala wa mfuma sweswi va ta sala mkomba anga yivona and true loko mo languta like I said the establishment leti tinga kona anga ti sungula eHudson they've collapsed. I don't want to say they are collapsing. They've collapsed. Man, to see Can College.
Yeah.
Hey.
I think funny Chav.
Yeah.
The funny is very commemorate. Got the next merchandise Shangan gang. It along this open a window and then we sell the t-shirt that's in Ntsanwisi. Na slogan this year.
Yeah.
And then this is not for everyone, it's for the brave.
Yes.
They were brave enough to wear that. You will have the t-shirt and you buy the t-shirt and wear it. I think it's very good because as much as you say, kuna Shabo Mandela, kuna Shabo Steve Biko and so on. People shine as Vatsonga. So
it's sure na share.
Ndazala mifuma wapiwere.
Na loko hoi para engavula ku yena afamba.
Metasala
mifumi wa hiva.
Metasala mfumo unwako.
Okay, so fala ro hetelela. Like nuburile ku inge heti. That's why I think we need another episode. Ku ikota ku isa makale mahlweni inge heti shakara mina nambona kwala loko mla ku vula swin'wana. Ile ku faleni sweswi.
Let us.
Para lexi
Hi fala se fala isha hina xilogen. Hi fala hiku until hlangana na kambe mi ta sala mifumi wa hiva. To